to Sam Tech. In today's video, we'll dive into how innovative machines and technologies are reshaping industries and driving unprecedented growth. From automation to AI, these advancements are transforming the way we work and live. Let's explore the cutting-edge innovations that are helping businesses and individuals reach new heights of success. 3D printing is changing the landscape of manufacturing by enabling on-demand production of complex parts and products. This technology allows businesses to create prototypes quickly, reduce waste, and customize products to meet specific customer needs. By embracing 3D printing, companies can innovate faster and bring new products to market with unprecedented speed and efficiency. Artificial intelligence is transforming marketing by enabling businesses to target audiences with precision. AI algorithms analyze consumer behavior and preferences to deliver personalized content and advertisements. This targeted approach not only increases conversion rates but also enhances customer satisfaction, helping businesses grow their brand and reach new markets. The Internet of Things (IoT) is playing a crucial role in developing smart cities that improve the quality of urban living. Connected devices and sensors monitor traffic, energy usage, and public services, optimizing city operations and reducing waste. Smart city technology enhances the efficiency of urban environments, making them more sustainable and livable for residents. Telemedicine is expanding healthcare access by allowing patients to connect with doctors remotely through digital tools. Video consultations, remote monitoring, and AI-driven diagnostics enable healthcare providers to deliver care to patients in underserved areas. Telemedicine not only improves access to healthcare but also reduces costs and increases efficiency in the medical field. Blockchain technology is revolutionizing finance by providing a secure and transparent way to conduct transactions. This decentralized technology reduces the risk of fraud, lowers transaction costs, and speeds up cross-border payments. By adopting blockchain, financial institutions can offer more secure and efficient services to their customers, driving growth in the industry. Autonomous vehicles are set to reduce traffic congestion and pollution by optimizing routes and driving patterns. These self-driving cars and trucks can communicate with each other and with infrastructure, such as traffic lights, to create a more efficient transportation system. The widespread adoption of autonomous vehicles will lead to safer roads and cleaner cities, improving the overall quality of life. Artificial intelligence is streamlining case management in the legal industry by automating routine tasks such as document review, contract analysis, and legal research. AI-powered tools help lawyers process information more quickly and accurately, reducing the time and cost associated with legal services. This efficiency allows law firms to handle more cases and provide better service to their clients. Renewable energy machines, such as solar panels and wind turbines, are powering the future with clean, sustainable energy. These technologies reduce reliance on fossil fuels and decrease carbon emissions, contributing to a greener planet. By investing in renewable energy, businesses can lower their energy costs and reduce their environmental impact, supporting long-term growth. Artificial intelligence is transforming content creation by automating tasks such as writing, video editing, and graphic design. AI-powered tools can generate content based on user input, freeing up creative professionals to focus on more complex and strategic work. This automation increases productivity and allows businesses to produce high-quality content at scale. Smart supply chains leverage predictive analytics to enhance efficiency and reduce costs. AI algorithms analyze data from various sources to predict demand, optimize inventory levels, and streamline logistics. By adopting smart supply chain technology, businesses can respond more quickly to market changes and improve their overall operational efficiency. Virtual reality, VR, is transforming education by providing immersive learning experiences that engage students in new ways. VR technology allows students to explore historical events, conduct virtual science experiments, and practice skills in simulated environments. This interactive approach to learning enhances student understanding and retention, making education more effective and enjoyable. Artificial intelligence is optimizing talent management and human resources by automating tasks such as resume screening, employee engagement analysis, and performance evaluation. AI-powered tools help HR professionals identify the best candidates, predict employee turnover, and improve workforce planning. By leveraging AI, businesses can build stronger teams and create a more productive work environment. Robotic process automation (RPA) is enhancing business operations by automating repetitive tasks such as data entry, invoice processing, and customer support. RPA software robots can perform these tasks quickly and accurately, reducing errors and freeing up employees to focus on more strategic work. This automation improves operational efficiency and allows businesses to scale more effectively. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing drug discovery by accelerating the identification of potential treatments. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of biological data to identify promising drug candidates, reducing the time and cost associated with traditional drug development processes. By enhancing customer service with AI, retailers can improve customer satisfaction, increase sales, and build stronger relationships with their customers. Machine learning is enhancing risk management in finance by analyzing data to identify potential risks and predict future trends. AI algorithms can detect patterns in financial data that may indicate fraud, market volatility, or other risks, enabling businesses to take proactive measures. By improving risk management with machine learning, financial institutions can protect their assets and maintain stability in a rapidly changing market. Thank you for joining us as we explored the many ways in which innovative machines and technologies are transforming the world of work. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to Sam Tech for more insights into the latest trends in technology and industry. Stay tuned for our next video, and see you soon.